What's up, chat? I'm V. Welcome to the YouTube channel. And we're here because I'm 16 years old. In 24 days, I'm moving to Hawaii. So this is the summer side quest arc, I guess. And anyways, today is Thursday, June 4th, and we are going to be making a beautifully brown, golden, hot and steamy loaf of bread. As someone whose cooking experience amounts to scrambled eggs in the morning. Anyways, enough with the yapping. Let's go inside. First things first. The TikTok that I watched that we're following used a bread pan. I don't own a bread pan, but I did find this thing in the laundry room. And honestly, it's probably the closest we got unless we want to use a brownie pan. And I don't feel like that's deep enough. Anyways, it also said you needed flour, sugar, yeast, water, and oil. So let's collect those things. We have a little bit of change in scenery here. And we have a helper too.
Ah.
Yeah? We had to go to the store to get some yeast.
Have to have yeast to make bread.
Yeah.
Very important.
Yeah. So this is Meemaw's kitchen.
You're gonna do it on here.
I don't think the TikTok recipe calls for that. She just keeps it in the bowl.
Oh, okay. You don't have to do anything with the.
No.
Okay. You just need a bowl.
Yes.
Well, let's have a scavenger hunt and you find a bowl.
Anyways, we're gonna assemble the ingredients now. Do you think that bowl's big enough? The mixer?
The mixing bowl, or I've got the one I do the dressing in. I don't know how big is the one she uses.
She uses 3 cups of flour and I think 1 cup of water. This one's 8 cups.
Yeah, that'll be it. Or I've got this one.
That's a big boy.
Oh, that one.
I'll just use this.
Okay.
Oh shoot, do these have covers?
What?
Do these have covers?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at us all fancy schmancy.
Yeah, but I've never used the covers, I don't think. But do you cover it, then you put it to,
Yeah,
in the refrigerator? Okay.
not in the refrigerator.
Probably need to wash this. I haven't used it in I don't know how long.
Ew. Anyways, we have the bowl. We have the yeast. Now we need, that's the first. Where's your flour at? It's up here.
The all-purpose is up at the back. See it back there?
Come on.
I have to get the chair. Because I hardly ever use all-purpose. Look at you.
Okay.
How much sugar?
1.5 teaspoons.
Oh, okay. I've got some less sugar too. I need to put in.
So, our ingredients were water. After that, there was 1.5 teaspoons of the yeast, the sugar, and salt. We're gonna have to look at the TikTok again.
Can you
Yeah.
use pink salt?
I don't know.
That's all I have.
You don't have table salt?
No,
Good mom. Why?
no table salt.
None. Wait, not even like the. Okay, this might be made with pink salt. Great.
No, I don't have any regular salt.
Okay, we're just gonna use the big boy. I'm gonna go ahead and measure the all-purpose flour into here.
Get your big spoon.
Ow. Jeez. Move it, yeast.
measure it out.
Why do these exist?
So it makes it easier to get those out.
I'm pretty sure that's close enough. What is it? Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We closed the all-purpose flour. Now we're gonna dump this bad boy in here.
Watch it, it's gonna.
I know.
Take your spoon and kind of take it out. And all this spot down in there.
Ooh.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to like edit the TikTok into the video.
Oh, okay. Do you like this?
This was good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we're gonna do the sugar. One. And a half.
Wow.
What if I had like a little bit extra? It's gonna be some sweet bread. Then after that, jeez. Okay. We got this. Okay.
I want one of those I saw on TV. Mama had it. That Mama was looking at.
Yeast.
Oh, here's your guitar strings.
It smells gross.
It smells gross. I will make sure you do it right. I'm drinking my coffee.
Sorry, that's just fun to do. It's a lot of yeast, man. Why do you have to refrigerate this?
I don't know, but it says to, doesn't it?
Do you have anything that isn't? Yeah. We also don't have normal salt, so we have to use Himalayan pink salt. Hopefully it'll work. I don't see why it wouldn't.
I don't either. Might be better.
Because the salt is pink.
Might make pink bread. How much salt does it take?
A tablespoon and a half. No, not a tablespoon. A teaspoon.
That's a big difference.
Maybe just a little bit.
Oh, we just some new salt and pepper shakers that are.
Imagine I don't close that properly and it just like spills over whoever's food uses it next. And look at this. It moves. Good.
Pampered chef.
Huh?
Pampered chef.
Woohoo. Well, whoop-de-doo.
Whoop-de-doo, so is the mixing.
Yeah, I'll just it over the see. It's like a beer, that's all. Okay.
Oh, you put salt in it.
Yeah.
So if it was self-rising, you wouldn't have to have the salt.
Reporting back. We need 1.5 cups of water.
One and a half cups of water.
1.5 cups of water acquired. This is scary.
Did she just stir it with a spoon?
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
I don't know if you needed a whisk or something. I would start stirring as I pour it in.
I'm scared.
Go ahead. It'll be okay.
Why am I scared? This is scary, Grandma.
You're probably going to have to do it, start it with your hands once it gets. Okay.
I think this is good. Yeah, I think we're golden.
The trash bags. So you need my number?
I don't want to try it.
Oh. Yeah, I can look real quick. Okay.
I know I should.
Okay. They didn't send them? Huh. Because I don't remember seeing anything that said something wasn't going to be delivered or anything. But, huh. I'll get on there and
Tastes
check.
like bread.
You want to just hold on and I'll look, or you want me to call you back?
Okay.
Well, I wasn't going to do this.
Okay, whatever, it's fine.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, I thought it was always the 4th of July, so, but yeah, I can do that. That's no problem. Okay.
Start a timer for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Start a timer for 2 hours.
So, and then if I need to add any, on Friday I can or whatever, if you don't get them done for some reason. So, okay. Well, hold on. I can look at that real quick. So hold on a second. We have to let it rise for 2 hours, I think.
Ow! It's already doubled in size.
It's rising. It's doing what it was supposed to do.
Yippee!
Two hours later.
Time for grand reveal part 1. Whoosh! Look at this, dude. It's freaking insane. Okay. She said to get 2 forks.
Yeah.
We've got 2 forks.
And eat it.
And she took them and pretty much just folded it over into the center. Like this. And we moved my kneading forks. We'll do that a little bit
You
more.
used to want to do it with olive oil? Oh, you put olive oil in there?
Yeah, to keep it from sticking to your hands while you mush
Oh.
it. We've upgraded to a bread pan. We've upgraded to a bread pan. I didn't know we had one of these. It just looks like a small casserole dish. Da-da-da-da. Every single time I use this stuff, I feel like I'm gonna die.
I know. You can
I'm not sick, I just have allergies. Gosh dang it.
yeah.
I'll let you do that. Your expertise, why? Sorry, the sound of the metal, it icked me. Now we gotta get in with our hands. I already washed
You did
them.
wash your hands.
I just washed them. Or did I?
Yes, you did. I saw you.
I'm scared.
Go ahead. How much did it say to put in there?
She just did like a little drizzle. I don't know.
Don't put too much.
It'll just be a little olive. Okay, I think that's good.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Now we put her in the pan.
Spread it out.
When I was little, all the other kids wouldn't let me play with the slime because I didn't have the slime hands. Well, look at me now. Still don't have slime hands.
Still don't.
She's a little whoppy jaw, but she's here.
If you put
She's serving.
if you put some water on your hands, it might.
I was just gonna wash them off.
Okay, I meant to make it even.
Oh. It should be fine. She's made with love. You know what we do now?
Let it rise.
We let it rise until it's over the pan. Give me my bread cloth.
Do we cover it again?
No, you leave it uncovered.
You sure we don't need to straighten it out?
It'll be fine.
Okay.
Heaven forbid it has a little slant, Grandma. Gosh.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups. Okay, just put that in here.
Okay. We're washing the bowl now. But yeah. So, this is what she's looking like. We have to wait until it rises like to here. And the girl said it could take up to 30 minutes to an hour. We don't want none of this around here. This bread. Hey, I'm doubting my skills. This is gonna be great, guys. It's gonna be the best bread you've ever seen.
I'm not doubting you. Say what she did to me.
I didn't expect it to actually do that. I went,
I can do it too. No, I can't do it.
I didn't expect it to work. I was just sitting there and just bah!
Well, it worked.
Okay, now we wait again. What? I didn't. Okay. Whatever. Okay, chat. We're getting somewhere. Shoo. Shoo. She's looking over the. Oh my gosh, she's already over the thing. Hold up. I shouldn't have touched that, but I did.
Burrito, doesn't it?
She is risen. We got the oven. The oven on 375. It even out pretty good though.
It did. I was surprised. Ooh, it looks pretty.
Hey, no touchy.
No touchy.
Man. She's in the oven. Woo.
Okay, we're about to take it out. Let's see what it looks like.
Are you laughing at me?
You look like a little Eskimo. Or E.T.
Rude.
I hope we're going to be able to cut it. Woo, look at this. Looks very good. Yay. Knock, knock.
It's a little hard. You can hear it.
Knock, knock. Okay, we need to let it cool a little bit. Leave it alone.
ASMR.
We probably need to dump
Oh,
it
that's
and then dump it
hot.
out. Or we can cut it.
Ow.
In there. We can cut it in there.
Huh?
It looks like bread.
Oh, I was gonna put it on one of those like baking pan cooling things.
Oh, the rack.
Yeah.
Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. Here you go.
Yeah, stop videoing.
Okay, here it comes. Let's see how it is. Don't touch it.
I don't know where to put it. I guess I'll put it right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
That'll be good. Flip it over.
Me?
Yeah, you. This is your thing.
Goodness. It just gets stuck.
Be good with some butter and...
What? It's coming out.
Is it coming out? Now you gotta flip it back over. Just...
Look at it. Look at the upside down bread.
Flip it over.
Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's heavy.
Now we have a door stop.
Okay, here's the bread.
Or the door stop, whichever one you want to call it.
The force to be reckoned with, bro.
See, she did hers and it was squishy.
No, that one's squishy. It's squish.
Yeah.
It's got squish.
It's just gonna be like on the top good.
Yeah.
You wanna cut it?
Oh, it's still hot?
We can wait a little bit. But we wanna eat it while it's hot.
You're right, you're right.
Okay. It looks pretty.
I think we should cut it.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta take off my snowman blanket for this one. Oh gosh, the hat came off too.
Uh-oh, that broke.
No, it didn't. It's magnetic.
Oh. Here we go. Let's see what's gonna happen now. See if we can cut into this. See, it probably could have been a little.
You could call me Jeff the Killer. Okay.
Okay.
Stay still, bro. Okay. I'm scared.
Wait, have a look.
We might need one of the serrated ones.
Might need.
It's just hollow on the inside.
Oh,
Look at that!
Look at that! And it moves.
You know what? That's bread if I've ever seen it.
Yes.
Okay, wait, I gotta do the thing. Oh, I have it backwards. Oh no. Wait, hold up. Do I? Yeah, I do.
What are you doing?
It's the thing all the bread talkers do on TikTok. Squish, squish. Squish, squish.
Very good.
Smells
Does
good.
it smell good? Mmm. Well, we got our butter ready.
We made bread. Alright, I made bread.
Yeah, she made bread.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want the serrated knife? Or did that one
Maybe.
do okay? Okay, cut us a
It
piece.
turned out better than I thought it was
Cut
going
us a
to.
piece. Not a. I don't want a piece that big.
You wanna do it?
You do it.
I'm scared.
It's not gonna bite you.
Grandma, this is our child that we just cut open.
Maybe I need the serrated one. I think it's the dishwasher.
Freaking love this bread, bud.
Oh, you made bread.
I made bread.
We. No, it was
Okay.
just you. It was just
I did most of the work.
You did most of the work. Still kind of wet.
Okay.
Hands. Oh, we need to get us a plate up there. To put
The
it
new
on.
knife.
Just a little plate, yeah.
The plate.
The butter.
The plate that will hold history.
The butter.
The butter that will hold history.
It's hard to get it started, isn't it? Here, you want me to see if I can do it?
No, I don't need no man.
I think the other knife did better. I don't know what this knife is for. What is?
That's a big piece of bread. Oh my gosh.
Well, I didn't have much supper.
Grandma.
That's not that big. There, cut it that way. Oh, we could have used my electric knife.
Your turkey carving knife.
Should have used. Is that piece too big for you?
Maybe just a little bit.
We'll cut it in half.
I don't think it's supposed to feel like sourdough, but it kind of does. You know what I mean? I genuinely can't cut this in half. Hold on.
Do you want me to taste it first? Be sure nothing happens to me.
Here she is.
Looks
Vivian's-
like bread.
Vivian's homemade peasant bread right here.
You want to cut the next one?
We're cutting another one?
Oh, is this for both of us?
I thought so.
Oh. I don't know. I might want another one. I have to have a lot of butter. Look at that.
The buttered bread. Oh, Grandma, you're dripping butter
Oops. Where'd it go?
on my piece of.
Oh,
Unless you want this piece.
okay. It doesn't matter.
I'll take this piece.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah. But we gotta get a better camera angle.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. The official.
1, 2, 3.
I can't really tell.
Not bad. Pretty good. She did good.
And still, it feels like sourdough.
Mm-hmm.
It has the consistency of sourdough. It's honestly really confusing my brain.
Well, very good. I like the way this was hard, too.
Mm-hmm.
I would make it again.
It would be a good sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
It's in fact a pretty good sandwich bread.
Mm-hmm. Look good. You did good.
We're tied and pasted right now.
I like it crusty like that.
Mm-hmm.
There's some honey on it.
I think this would be good if you added a little bit more sugar in it.
More sugar.
But that's just because I really like sweet bread, so.
Mhm. But I'm thinking like with honey and the sweet of honey on it. It's good.
Hey, but you know what? A 16-year-old with no cooking experience made it. And it's edible.
With no help at all.
No, there was definitely some help in there. There was some help in there.
Not much.
10 out of 10, would make it again. There might be more bread making vlogs later.
Mhm.
We'll have to try cinnamon bread.
Cinnamon. But this with some honey on it would be good.
I don't know, I just want like this with some breakfast, you know, some egg and bacon, like a BLT.
But not cut as this
It.
thick for a sandwich. But for breakfast with honey on it. Apple butter.
This feels like a roll you would get served at an Italian restaurant.
Well, it's good.
What?
I don't want to be in there.
No! Come back! Come back!
Okay. Okay. you're not gonna do this. You're not gonna do it.
Are you discouraging me
No.
in my
no.
potential endeavors? Okay.
Are you just practicing now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Let me take a moment.
Oh, me.
Okay.
Okay, we ready?
If you stuck around to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. You know, if you think we're kind of cool, maybe leave a like, or if you're feeling fancy, subscribe or leave a comment. Whoa! Whoa! Say whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa! Of course, make sure to go check out the girls' TikTok who made the spread, so that way I can make it. And I guess I'll see y'all later. Peace.